everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Cleaning with Happy Hot Home. So today I'm going to take you on another cleaning adventure with me. This is the first time I'm trying it, so I don't know what the result is either, but we're going to see how it turns out. I am going into my son's bathroom and I'm going to be trying to clean rust off of his shower walls and shower floor, but the stone is travertine. So I don't know that this is necessarily going to work, but it is the same product that I used in my prior video where I showed you how I cleaned out my daughter's bathtub, which was an enamel bathtub and the walls were marble. It turned out great. I'm really happy with it, but you know, it was my first time putting it on marble. It was actually my first time using the product, to be honest. And I put it all over the marble. It did a great job. And this time I'm trying it on travertine. So I'm a little nervous to see if it works because I haven't tested it at all. I haven't tested it on a small part of the tub to see if it works. This is going to be a first time for me too. So, but again, his isn't as bad as my daughter's was. I really invite you to check out that video. It's just so satisfying to watch, you know, all of that rust just disappear as I squirt the cleaner on. It was so fun, so fun. So I hope that it works for this one, but kind of a guinea pig letting you know if this cleaner does work and how it works on certain stones. Again, this is a travertine stone, and let's get started to see how it turns out. All right, here we go. Travertine. My son was so impressed the way that I cleaned my daughter's bathroom that here I am in his shower, and he wants to see if we can get the rust off of his bathroom. So this is travertine, you know, tile, stone. Again, a precious stone. A little reluctant to try it, but it's so bad in here. I mean, look at this. I'm willing to risk it a little bit to see if we can get some of this horribleness off. And then I'm going to have to work on actually my bathroom to see if we can get some of this off. But all right, let's see if this works. All right, I'm going to start over here with the wall and squirt some on the wall, let it drip down and see how it works on the stone. Kind of let that drip down. See how that works. I may not have enough, but I don't want to waste too much, so let's see how this works. Probably put a little bit more down here. I'm gonna have to order some more of this. Stuff is so awesome. I'm gonna have to order more of it before I post this link and it sells out, because this stuff is pretty incredible. All right, so it's working, right? I think I see a difference up here. Still hard to tell with the phone, but I think it is making a difference. I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit and see what happens. So it's working. It is working great. Look at it on the wall. It's hard to see it on the ground now because it's covered with the foam, but it's good because it's just sitting there. Again, the shower was dry, so I'm sure that is a benefit. It works better on something dry than something wet, but yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like under that stone. So it's working really well. I have sort of moved it around a little bit so that it covers everything, but I'm telling you, there's like no scrubbing necessary. I mean, look at the way it just came off of the wall. The wall's wet now, but it's not yellow. So I just moved it a little bit around, but you can see there in the corner right there that it's, you know, completely white. It's still brown over here, and I may have to go over that a second time because that didn't get direct squirting. That got some diluted stuff, but I'm going to let it sit for a little more. I'm going to then put the shower on, rinse it off, and see how it looks. Well, it is working. Look at that. Look at those corners over there. That got the direct contact with the solution. Big difference. So it is going to require a couple applications. I may have to use like a whole nother bottle here. Down there is still a little bit brown, but it's really more the ground that I'm worried about. You know, this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what it does look like. So I'm going to get the left side to match the right side, but I'm going to have to use a lot more solution, but it's looking good. I'm very happy with it. Okay, wow, doing a great job. I've almost gone through a whole nother bottle. So this side looks really good. I'm gonna use what I have left for this little area right there. And then I'm gonna have to order some more. But this stuff is doing really well. I should caution you, it is very slippery. So this is a large shower. It's a double head shower. And when I do go in it, you know, to get to those back areas, it is very slippery. I should say that. So I caution you, if you are working in the area and you step in it with your shoes, I don't suggest that you should, but it is very, very slippery. So be very careful and try to just stay on the outside if possible. So I'm going to do one last round, and then I'll let you see how it looks. Well, I'm done, and it worked great. Looks really good. I could go over the walls one more time, but like I said, I've run out of the cleaner, but the floor looks so great. It required a little bit of scrubbing, minimal amount, and that's probably more because of the slope of the way that the shower drains to the middle. So that's probably the biggest thing. So I did need to get in there, and it was kind of, the solution was just sitting around certain places. So I scrubbed it a little bit, came right up, minimal amount of scrubbing, and it looks great. So I'm gonna get some more and probably work on the wall a little bit more. There's a brown area up there that needs work, but like I said, I ran out. So super happy. If you like this, let me know. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk soon.